What if the moment you've been waiting for your entire life arrives? Twice at the same time. Two cries, two heartbeats, two tiny hands reaching into your world, instantly reshaping everything you thought you knew about love, patience, and your own limits. Parents of twins don't just step into parenthood, they are launched into a reality where joy multiplies. But so does exhaustion, doubt, and emotional intensity. It's a life where laughter and overwhelm coexist in the same breath, where the beauty feels almost too big to hold, and the challenges feel just as immense. Is it double the love, or double the challenge? The truth is far more complex and far more powerful than either phrase alone can capture. Becoming a parent changes everything, but becoming a parent of twins transforms life in ways few people can fully understand. It is not simply parenting times two. It is an entirely different emotional, physical, and psychological experience that stretches the human heart in unexpected directions. There are moments of indescribable happiness, where love feels infinite and overwhelming in the most beautiful sense. But there are also moments of fatigue, confusion, and emotional overload that test even the strongest individuals. In this video, we will explore the hidden emotional journey behind raising twins, the unseen battles, the silent victories, and the deep transformation that happens within. If you're a parent, expecting twins, or simply curious about this unique path, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and stay with us until the end, because this story might change the way you see love and resilience forever. The moment parents discover they are expecting twins often feels like standing at the edge of two worlds at once, one filled with excitement and wonder, and the other shadowed by uncertainty and fear. There is a unique emotional duality that begins instantly, as joy expands rapidly while questions begin to multiply just as quickly. The imagination races ahead, picturing matching outfits, synchronized laughter, and a bond unlike any other. Yet beneath that surface lies a quieter voice, asking whether one is truly prepared for the magnitude of what is coming. This emotional contrast becomes the foundation of the twin parenting journey, where every high is matched with a weight that must also be carried. It is not a contradiction but rather a coexistence, where love and worry grow side by side, shaping the emotional landscape long before the children even arrive into the world. As the pregnancy progresses, the emotional intensity deepens in ways that are difficult to articulate. There is a constant awareness that everything is happening in double, from medical appointments to physical changes, and even to the anticipation itself. Parents begin to feel a heightened sense of responsibility, knowing that their lives are about to shift dramatically, not in a gradual way, but all at once. This realization can create moments of awe where the heart feels too full to contain the magnitude of what is coming, but it can also bring waves of anxiety that feel equally overwhelming. The mind tries to prepare, to organize, to predict every possible scenario, yet there is an underlying understanding that no amount of planning can fully capture the reality ahead. This tension between preparation and unpredictability becomes a recurring emotional rhythm. When the twins are finally born, the experience is often described as surreal, as though reality itself has been expanded beyond its usual limits. Two lives entering the world simultaneously creates an emotional impact that is both profound and disorienting. Parents are suddenly faced with the need to divide their attention while also feeling an urgent desire to give each child everything. This internal conflict can be intense, as love does not divide but rather multiplies. Yet time, energy, and physical presence remain limited resources. The joy of holding one child is instantly accompanied by the awareness of the other, creating a constant emotional pull in two directions. It is in this moment that many parents begin to understand that the journey ahead will not be about balance in the traditional sense, but about learning to exist within a dynamic and ever-shifting emotional flow. The early days of caring for twins are often marked by a level of exhaustion that goes beyond physical tiredness and enters the realm of emotional depletion. Sleep becomes fragmented, routines feel chaotic, and the constant needs of two infants create a sense of urgency that rarely pauses. In these moments, even the most joyful experiences can feel overshadowed by the sheer intensity of the demands. Parents may find themselves questioning their abilities, wondering if they are doing enough, or if they are somehow falling short despite giving everything they have. This emotional strain is not a reflection of weakness, but rather a natural response to an extraordinary situation. The challenge lies not only in meeting the practical needs of two children, but in maintaining a sense of self amidst the overwhelming pace of daily life. Despite the challenges, there are moments of beauty that feel almost too powerful to describe. Moments where the presence of two children creates a depth of love that feels infinite. Watching twins interact, even in the earliest stages, reveals a connection that seems to exist beyond words. There is a quiet understanding between them, a shared experience that began before birth and continues to unfold in subtle and profound ways. For parents, witnessing this bond can bring a sense of wonder that offsets even the most difficult days. It serves as a reminder that the challenges are not separate from the joy, but are intertwined with it, creating a richer and more complex emotional experience. These moments become anchors, helping parents navigate through the more demanding aspects of their journey. However, the emotional weight of raising twins is not limited to the early stages, as it evolves and transforms over time. As the children grow, new challenges emerge, each requiring a different kind of emotional resilience. There may be comparisons, both internal and external, as parents observe differences in development, personality, and behavior. These comparisons can create subtle pressures, leading to concerns about fairness, equality, and individual attention. Parents often strive to ensure that each child feels equally valued, yet this effort can sometimes lead to feelings of guilt when one child appears to need more support than the other. This ongoing balancing act becomes a central theme in the emotional journey of parenting twins. At the same time, the joy continues to evolve in equally powerful ways. The shared milestones, the simultaneous achievements, and the unique dynamic between twins create a sense of fulfillment that is deeply rewarding. There is a richness in experiencing life through two perspectives at once, in witnessing how each child interprets the world differently while still sharing a deep connection. This duality adds layers of meaning to everyday experiences, transforming ordinary moments into something extraordinary. Parents often find themselves developing a heightened sense of awareness, learning to appreciate the subtle nuances that define each child's individuality. This awareness becomes a source of strength, helping them navigate the complexities of their role. The emotional journey of parenting twins also involves a redefinition of identity, as individuals adapt to the demands and realities of their new role. The concept of self may shift, as personal needs and desires are often placed behind the immediate needs of the children. This shift can create moments of internal conflict, where parents struggle to reconcile their previous identity with their current responsibilities. It is a process that requires patience and self-compassion, as the transition is neither immediate nor linear. Over time, many parents discover that their identity has not been lost, but rather expanded, encompassing new dimensions of strength, resilience, and empathy that were previously unexplored. Support systems play a crucial role in this journey, as the challenges of raising twins are rarely meant to be faced alone, whether it comes from family, friends, or community. The presence of support can make a significant difference in the emotional well-being of parents. However, it is not always easy to ask for help, especially when there is a desire to prove one's capability and independence. This reluctance can lead to increased stress and isolation, making it even more important to recognize the value of connection and shared responsibility. Accepting support is not a sign of inadequacy, but rather an acknowledgement of the complexity of the situation and the need for collective effort. There are also moments when the emotional intensity reaches a peak, where the combination of fatigue, responsibility, and internal pressure creates a sense of overwhelm that feels difficult to manage. In these moments, it is important for parents to recognize that such feelings are not uncommon and do not define their ability or worth. The experience of overload is a natural part of navigating a life that demands so much, and it does not diminish the love that exists. Learning to sit with these emotions, rather than resist them, can be a powerful step toward finding balance within the chaos. It is through this process that resilience is built, not as a fixed trait, but as an evolving capacity. Over time, many parents begin to notice a shift in their perspective, as what once felt overwhelming becomes more familiar and manageable. This does not mean that the challenges disappear, but rather that parents develop the skills and mindset needed to navigate them more effectively. There is a growing sense of confidence that emerges, rooted not in perfection, but in experience. Each challenge faced becomes a lesson, each difficult moment an opportunity for growth. This gradual transformation highlights the adaptability of the human spirit and the capacity to thrive even in the most demanding circumstances. The relationship between the twins themselves continues to evolve, adding new dimensions to the emotional experience of parenting. Their bond becomes more visible, more complex, and more influential in shaping their individual identities. Parents often find themselves observing a unique dynamic that cannot be replicated, a connection that is both deeply intertwined and distinctly individual. This dynamic can bring both joy and challenges, as the closeness between the twins may sometimes lead to conflicts or competition. Navigating this relationship requires a delicate balance, allowing each child to develop their own identity while also honoring the bond they share. As the years pass, the initial question of whether twins represent double the love or double the challenge begins to take on a new meaning. It becomes clear that the answer is not one or the other, but both, existing simultaneously and inseparably. The challenges do not reduce the love, nor does the love eliminate the challenges. Instead, they interact in a way that creates a richer and more profound experience of parenthood. This realization can be both humbling and empowering, as it highlights the complexity of the journey and the depth of what it offers. Parents often reflect on how the experience has changed them, recognizing growth in areas they may not have anticipated. Patience becomes deeper, empathy becomes stronger, and the ability to adapt becomes more refined. These changes are not always easy or comfortable, but they contribute to a sense of personal evolution that extends beyond the role of parenting. The journey of raising twins becomes a catalyst for self-discovery, revealing strengths and capacities that might have remained hidden under different circumstances. There is also a growing appreciation for the small moments, the quiet instances that might otherwise go unnoticed. A shared glance between the twins, a moment of synchronized laughter, or even the calm that follows a chaotic day can carry a profound sense of meaning. These moments serve as reminders that the beauty of the experience is not only found in the milestones, but in the everyday interactions that shape the relationship between parent and child. This awareness brings a sense of gratitude that helps to balance the more challenging aspects of the journey. At times, parents may still feel the weight of comparison, especially when observing other families or reflecting on their own expectations. It is easy to fall into the trap of measuring one's experience against an idealized version of parenthood, but this comparison often overlooks the unique nature of raising twins. Each journey is different, shaped by individual circumstances, personalities, and experiences. Recognizing this uniqueness can help parents release unrealistic expectations and embrace their own path with greater acceptance and confidence. Ultimately, the experience of raising twins is not defined by a single narrative, but by a collection of moments that together create a complex and deeply meaningful journey. It is a path that requires resilience, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace both the highs and the lows. The emotional side of this experience is not something to be overcome, but something to be understood and integrated. It is through this understanding that parents can find a sense of balance, not by eliminating the challenges, but by recognizing the value they bring to the overall experience. In the end, the question of whether twins bring double the love or double the challenge becomes less important than the realization that both are essential parts of the journey. The love provides the motivation to continue, while the challenges provide the opportunity to grow. Together, they create a dynamic that is both demanding and rewarding, shaping not only the lives of the children, but also the identity and perspective of the parents. This duality becomes the defining characteristic of the experience, offering a depth of meaning that goes beyond simple definitions. In the end, parenting twins is not a question to be answered, but a reality to be lived. It is a journey where the heart learns to expand beyond what once seemed possible, where exhaustion and joy can exist in the same moment without canceling each other out. The emotional intensity is not a burden to escape, but a depth to understand, revealing the true capacity of love and resilience. For those walking this path, the challenge is not to choose between the beauty and the struggle, but to embrace both as essential parts of something extraordinary. Because sometimes, the most overwhelming experiences are also the ones that shape us into who we were always meant to become.